In this video, I will show you how to use this Emissive master material on any architectural project for doing the material of a TV, sky background, a bulb, and blinking lights. So all these types of metal can be made using this Emissive master material, which has a wide range of functionality. And I will go ahead and explain how you can use it most efficiently in your architectural project. So to begin with, I will go ahead and create a new material instance using this master emissive material. So I'll go ahead and click on this and I will name it as light and then test or tutorial. And if I go ahead and open this material, so if you go ahead and click on this use case, just ignore this no UDS. We'll cover this in some later video. But as of now, if I go ahead, this material can be used for blinking lights. This metal can be used for background lights. Metal can be used for normal light with color or with the temperature, and this also can be used for TV screen. And now if I go ahead and make this use for a sky background, and then when I will click on it, it will give me an option to use any HDRI image, and then I will search this, and then I can go ahead and apply this on the material. This is the way I can go ahead and apply it on. You use it as a sky background. Suppose I don't want to use it as a sky background and I want to use it as a normal color, right? So if I go ahead and just apply it on this material like this one, and I can go ahead and decrease or increase the intensity, give the color of the light as per my requirement. Plus if I want to use the temperature, so I can go ahead and switch this on, and now the light will depend on the temperature, and I can also increase or decrease the intensity of the temperature. So if I go ahead and make it 6500, and then I can go ahead and make it intensity to 1. So this depends on your use case, but this material has all the functionality for you, which you can go ahead and amend and utilize according to your requirement. Suppose you want to use this material as a blinking light. So all you have to do is just switch it on, and then now you will start seeing blinking lights. You can decrease the intensity of the blinking lights. You can increase or decrease the blinking light speed. You can go ahead and change the color of the blinking lights if you wish. And suppose you want to use this material for TV screen now. What you have to do is you have to go ahead and switch on this use for TV screen. And now you can go ahead and just apply this on the TV screen, and you will have a TV screen material. So if I go ahead and search for TV or maybe monitor, and I can go ahead and just apply it here, right? And I can go ahead and increase or decrease the intensity, and I can go ahead and rotate the texture if I want. I can scale the texture on X. I can scale the texture on Y. I can scale like X and Y and then Y. I can offset the texture, and then I can offset texture on Y. And as you can see, depending on your requirement, you can use this Emissive master material for blinking lights, sky background, light with temperature, a light with only color, and for TV screen. So it has multiple use cases for your architecture scene. So all these types of material is implemented in a single emissive material. So you don't need several different master material for all these types of lights. So I hope this video or this video has explained how to use this emissive master material on architecture project for various use cases, all within the same master material. So I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, have a great time.